5 types of men who are more likely to get cheated on. 1. The man that works too much. A man who is always working hard to take care of his family may not spend enough time with his partner, which can cause problems. 2. The broke man. When a man has no money for a long time, some women may get tired of the stress that comes with it. 3. The controlling man. A man who is always telling his partner what she can and can't do can make her feel trapped and unhappy. 4. The too laid back man. A man who does not seem to care or put in effort can make his partner feel ignored or unimportant. 5. The man who doesn't listen. A man who doesn't pay attention to his partner's feelings or needs can make her feel unheard and unimportant, which can lead to problems in the relationship.